Space, not much, maybe 0.1 centimeter space between the two cards, and then don't worry if one is big, one is small, we will cut away the rest. And then our back. Similarly, you're going to do the same method for the other three. Wait for it to stick. If you want, you can pressure it up, okay, so that they stick well, and then we will do for the next three. After we have stuck it to this part, as you can see here, I have used two of the same type and one from this design, and you can see we need to cut away the axis. The cutting of this is going to be done similarly the way how you cut the covering for the school books and all, okay. So but please be very precise and careful during doing that. So let me take this one first and show you how to do it. First you need to cut away this part and make a cross. Similarly you will make a cross here. As you can see, this one. Now we will do it on this side. If here they have something more, you can just cut that out first. The good thing about this wrapping I like is because it has some lines to guide you rather than comparing with the plain one. Don't worry if you didn't get a triangle shape over here, doesn't matter, as it has to get folded inside. Fine. Now once you have done with this, you can see I have something axis here. I will also tell you what you have to do for that. So first I will just give one fold like this, as you can see. Similarly one fold from this side so that they are moving perfectly. And then you're left with these beautiful lines over here. These lines will also guide you. So one cut only halfway, one cut halfway here. Similarly again here, one cut this way and one cut this way. Once you're done with that, take your glue gun or the normal glue, stick it inwards. So what I will do is I'll put a little bit of glue gun on the edge and quickly just push it down there. Fine. Similarly we will put it on this side also. Make sure the glue gun is very hot and it doesn't dry very quickly. You can see here. Once you have done with this, the next step is going to be to do this side. Similar method, put the glue gun and then do. Once I have completed with only these and this part, then I will show you what has to be done with the middle part. Okay. Now you have cut up the axis part from this and this side, and I have stuck all my these. I'll again show you how to cut the axis part. In a straight line, you cut the extra wrapping paper from one side, and from the second side you will be cutting the extra card and the wrapping paper together. Once you're done with that, it will look something as this. Don't worry about the inside one, because the inside one will be hidden with our paper. As you can see, the next step is to use our ribbon and our book. So first I will take one ribbon, in this case the blue one suits. So we will take about this size, let's say it is about 2 inches long, or you can take 3 inch also, but I prefer 2.5 as it is better. Once you have taken 2.5 inches of this, you can just fold it like that into half and then glue one area using the gun glue on the mid part of the book and stick this together. The first part might open, that is why you can just put another glue on top of it. As it is, you need to put the glue all around, because now it is the time for the book to get stuck into it. So I will just add some glue, and I'm adding it in a flattened way, and then I'm going to be putting our book inside. Book should be clearly in the midpoint as such. Once you have done as this, just close it, push it from back, or lay it down straight. If you're going to lay it down straight like that, it will also help to protect the papers inside, and at the same time it will get attached to your book also. Once you're done with this, open, hide this part, use the gun glue. Make a line all around, midpoint, flat lines, as such. You can also use Yoo-hoo. One sheet of paper attached to it, as such, and then push. Once you have pushed with that, close the book, open the second area. Second area, same method. Apply the glue, and then push. The first sheet of paper will be there. Lay it down straight and then push with your fingers. Once you're done as such, you have your book ready in front of you. Just push it one more time, let it to dry, because the glue gun was there, and the glue gun dries very fast. And now you have your beautiful book ready. Reason to put this now, as I told you before, I will tell you how to make the keychain. Reason for putting this ribbon is it actually gives an additional design to it, and at the same time you can use some rings over it and then use it as a keychain in your car, or car keys, pencil case or bag. And if you want to write any short notes, you can write. To be more accurate, what you can do is next time you can use some color papers inside. Using some color papers will give it more beautiful design, and then you can use it as an autograph book. These autograph books, you can take it from your teachers or any of your famous celebrities if you see them in your life. So this is the procedure to do. Let me prepare these two also and show you to you how does it look like. So here you can see we have prepared our 3 books. This is without the ribbon, because this is a normal book you can keep like that in your pocket or anywhere. This is the one with the ribbon and this one with the ribbon, so that you can add the keychain. It also looks very beautiful. Next time what you can do is you can stick only one part of the ribbon, not the second end, and the second end can be used as a bookmark if you have written anywhere some important notes. Now before I end up with this thing, I will show you. I have got this beautiful beads in here. This is the butterfly shape and different colors. I will tell you what you have to do with this. So we will take our Yoo-hoo glue, or you can also use a gun glue, and just stick it in the back of this bead, and then right in the middle of the book opening there, you can stick all 3 of them. Similarly, the third one. Like that. This would give a design to your opening book. And then I'm having a thread. This thread will actually help you to close the book. So what I will do in this thread, we have an opening in the bead. So what you can do is take this and put through the bead. Otherwise, just stick that also below it. Since my Yoo-hoo glue is still wet, I will put the yarn behind there and then stick it on top like that, you see. And then we will make over there circling. So it was still wet, that is why it came out. That's why I prefer using the gun glue. And then lightly you can roll it. 1, 2, 3. And then cut off the excess. this third one, you can just roll it over there on top. In the beginning it will help me to stick up my this also, and then you can use it to cover it, roll like that as a lock for your book. Let me prepare this for both and show it to you. So as you can see here, we have put up the buttons and then we use different colors of thread to roll it around and then secure it in place. This is how you can use it whenever you wish to. Just go around it, open it, right, again close it. Now I will show you how we can make a keychain. These keychains, these hooks are easily available. You can also use the round ring ones. I don't have one right now with me, but you can use the same. Push it through your this one and then add this to your key, or if you want you can also do this. Especially the new girls, the girls with the college going girls can actually use this on their belt and they can put it like that also. So this is our beautiful DIY designs in here for you people. Let me just set it. Our DIY book for you. Hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and you will make one soon. Thanks for watching the video.